Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am zooming in closer. I know some have said that they can't see really the eye look that I am doing when I do my tutorials, and I just hate for that to happen. Today I am doing a tutorial on the Tutti Frutti Pineapple Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $34, which is a little steep when you figure you only get 7 shades, but we're gonna see if it's worth it or not. This pineapple scented palette of glitter, metallic, satin, and matte shadows gives intense payoff for luxurious one-swipe coverage. The perfect range of warm browns and creams with a pop of intense sparkling gold are so fresh and creamy they practically demand a drink with an umbrella in it. Has this little insert, and it shows you different eye looks you can do. I'm just gonna wing it and do my very own eye look, which I typically like to do. Sometimes I do use those cards for inspiration. You open it up and it has a little pineapple dude on there. So cute. I already did a tutorial on the purple palette. I'm gonna swatch these really briefly. The names are on the back, but I believe they are backwards. So we got Yum Yum, Coconut Sugar, Passport, and Pineapples. There. Then we have Sparkling Pineapple Island Queen and Tutti Cutie. These are one swipe. And the last but not least is Yum Yum, or Pineapple Cooler. You know, I really wish they wouldn't do these stickers on the back. I wish they would just put the names on the front. The swatches do not look that great, but mind you, I only did one finger swatch. Bam, that was it. It was simple and quick. So we're going to get into this tutorial, and we're going to see if this one is as good as its sister palette, the purple one, which I happen to love. Gonna go in here with this color first. I think it is called Yum Yum. Again, I think you flip it backwards with the names. I'm going to kind of just go all over. Then I'm gonna do one eye on camera and one eye off. Please let me know if ever the quality is not that good. I don't ever want you guys to be watching me and not being able to see what the heck I'm doing. I'm just covering the lid with this. I am going to take it to the brow bone. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I'm going to go in with this brown right here, which is either Island Queen or Passports and Pineapples, the way they put it. Anyway, I'm going to go in with this and just lay that in the crease. That is a really smooth looking creamy brown. Not bad. Not bad at all. And so far no fallout. Now I'm going to go in with a super deep brown, and I believe it is Tutti Cutie. The names are backwards. I hate when they do that. I'm gonna just kind of lay it in the crease in the corner and go on the lid a little bit. So far these lay out really good. I don't see any patchiness. It's not skipping, it's buildable. Okay. Not too bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna cut the crease for this next shade. Very, very curious about this green shade. That is the one that really caught my eye for this palette. When you cut a crease, you really don't have to worry about going wrong because you can just go back over. Like I just got a little bit into the brown. Just go over it a little bit. So this green shade right here is stunning. And I believe it is Island Queen because I'm reading backwards now. So I guess you read backwards, you'll be good to go. Okay, so I want that on the lid. Now I'm going to use my brush. By the way, I've been using all the same brushes I always use. My Delium Tools and my Fenty Beauty. I would wait for a great sale on the Delium Tools because they are superb. Ooh. Mind you, I didn't want the brush. I did lay down primer. And this is laying down very, very nicely. Can you see that green? Wow. Super, super beautiful. You see a little bit of brown going through. Absolutely stunning. Ooh. I'm going to go on the inner part of my eye with this color right here, which I believe is Pineapple Cooler. That green laid down so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm amazed. These shadows are really soft and creamy. Some of them almost feel like Super Shock shadow. Not all of them, not the mattes, but the other shimmer shades. Look at that pigmentation. Oh my gosh. So I got just a little bit of fallout. I did wet my brush just to get a little more of the green payoff, but you really don't need to. I mean, it went on just fine. So I have just a little bit, tiny bit of fallout from the dark brown, but nothing to complain about. So I'm going to clean up under my eye, and I will be back to finish the eye look. I'm back. I have done the rest of my face almost, well, blush, etc. Now I'm going to go under the eye. I'm trying to use the whole palette, which is pretty simple. There's only 7 colors. I'm going to continue this deep brown, which should be Tutti Cutie, under the eye. I'm like leaning over here up. I am in my frame here. And I am going to connect that to the upper lid. Very deep brown. Okay, not bad. Laying down pretty precisely. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this beautiful, beautiful gold shade. And this one is the most creamiest. This one and the green are like cream based. It is Sparkling Pineapple. By the way, there are 5.6 grams, 0.21 ounces total And this palette, which retails for $34, is a little bit on the steep side for only 7 shadows. But hey, sometimes you have to pay for what you get. I'm going to start this the inner corner and bring it over. Okay, this is one that it is kind of a shimmery. I would say it's more of a foil, but not glittery. But it is one that will work way better with a little spray. Although it went on not bad, as you can tell. But I'm going to spray it. And I want to bring it all the way at least into the middle. Going under the brown, so I don't wipe out the brown. That is a beautiful gold shade. Stunning. And I went underneath the brown a little bit as well. So now I'm going to go and complete my eye look, and I will be back with my final thoughts. But I did want to throw in that this shade right here is creamy as well. These three, the green and the gold, is the creamiest. Like your finger almost sinks. You see that indent? So you have to be very, very careful with those shades, especially the gold. Especially the gold. It is definitely like a foiled ColourPop kind of feel. So anyways, I will be back with my final thoughts. Hello everybody, so I am back. I have completed my eye look. I think it looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be completely honest here. I watched a few videos on the Pinnapple palette because it was sold out online, and I ordered the purple one, and a lot of people were saying that the green showed up more brown. And I think on me, I think it showed up very green. I am absolutely so pleased. I was very worried about that. You have to be very careful again with the gold shade, but I am so happy with this palette. I'm so glad. Like, everyone's opinion and reviews are going to be so different that you might want to go in and like swatch and smell, because they are all scented and they all lift up right here, which I love. This is a very, very light scent. I can barely smell anything. Slightly pineapple. You want to smell? Do you smell anything?
Yeah, some of me listening.
On when I'm done. My granddaughter's helping me. So anyways, I have to say that I am actually super impressed. I'm glad I didn't listen to everyone, because everyone was like, oh, it comes off and it looks like a brown shadow, but mine looks totally green. I love this palette. I think you could do absolutely fabulous looks with it, and very quick, and they all perform very well. I used a brush for all of them. I did not use my finger, and it worked pleasantly with a brush. I think this palette is phenomenal. I know it's a little steep in the price, but I think it's so worth it. And I think definitely that this green shade is something I do not own, and I'm so happy with it. So I give this an A++, and I think it's totally worth checking out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.